Last time on the Thai Life.
After we took the insulated tarps off the piles of crushed and sand, we realized that we might not even be able to use them because they're frozen. This is what makes living out here in the winter totally tolerable.
We're sitting on a windowsill, so we're sitting in a window opening.
Yep.
We've got a total of 5 of these across the front.
5.
Yeah. And we got the next 2 ready to go.
We were able to find a soft spot in the middle of this big frozen pile of crush, so we are able to ram earth today, which is amazing.
Well, it's a new day and a new type of weather. It's raining today after we got all that beautiful snow yesterday. James completed a pretty good day yesterday with our helper, Mark. Thank you, Mark. And Mark were able to mix the rammed earth without the pigment because it's just the bottom layer that's going to be below grade. And they were able to do 7 feet of rammed earth lifts yesterday with the mixing and the ramming portion. So we're back at it today. It's super mucky. It's super gross, but it's just what we got to do. It's quite warm actually, so we're not complaining about temperatures. And yeah, the guys are just going to get back at it today. I think they want to finish, so which means they're going to be doing some lifts with pigment. We have information on how we do the pigment in other videos. I'll link them in the description below. We also have a playlist. If anybody's just joining us now and seeing our channel now and interested in rammed earth, we have an entire playlist dedicated to this build. So if you're interested, that link will be in the description as well. So yeah, let's see what these guys can get up to today.
All right, so we've got the rammed earth up to the top for the windowsills. We're going to start the windowsills portion now where it protrudes past. You can see the formwork comes out past the edge of the column. And we're going to add in chicken wire and the steel across from side to side of each lap to help hold that together. This top layer isn't actually rammed on the windows, it's just hand tamped. So it's not rammed with pneumatic tamper. We're almost done. It's been a rainy day. we could hand tamp this bottom bit. We add in have it as level as possible. Another piece of steel. That'll be all like weaved in there and it helps hold her together. That was good. Just about ate it. Okay. See the other side? It's going to keep the bulk of the rain off. That's a good girl.
Did you go to camp?
This jacket is like a swimming pool for you. Alright. So I just picked up the last bit of materials that we need to finish the rammed earth. Picked up some foam, some steel, and some cement. Should have a couple of extra bits and pieces of everything as well, so we don't have to make any more trips into town to get it. So we're very close to finishing. We only have 3 setups of formwork and 3 more pours to do. We've got the 2 end sections of each end of the greenhouse with the overhead door and the garden door for the entry, as well as 1 front window. We've had unseasonably warm weather and a whole bunch of rain as well. So the last 2 days I've been pumping out all around the footings and inside the very bottom of the greenhouse just to get the water out of there, because we are going to dip down to colder temperatures and then have more freezing. So I don't want to compromise the footings and have any heaving potentially occur by all this water going down into the ground and then freezing. So lots of extra work to keep moving forward at this stage and this time of year, which this weather has just been not normal. Yeah. Open that side, and I gotta do the steel button afterwards. Can you see how I wrapped it around the steel?
Yeah, I thought I did it right that way.
Okay.
Ooh, that is heavy.
Oh, it's heavy.
Gum?
Don't know. Probably some caulk.
Somebody put gum there.
No, I think so. Three. Even them up. And then you'll be down. Oh yeah. How are those gloves? Think of it like spaghetti.
Yeah.
You want to turn the pump on? So this morning, this was probably up to here. Up to that bag part, but it was the whole thing was full, and then the outside was full.
This is pumped out, is what you're trying to say.
Yeah, but it can be pumped out more.
Yeah. How do you turn this on?
Let me just put it in this little spot. I got some little trenches dug.
This is a pump.
I can't see. Should be a deeper spot in here somewhere.
It's like quicksand.
Yeah.
This is really, really weird weather for us.
looks like we're gonna have to use the Zoom boom instead because this doesn't seem to have the power. So I'm gonna have to let that warm up. I'd rather not hand bomb it all off.
Okay.
I kind of forgot we had it here, so we might as well use it.
Okay.